Tired of juggling multiple apps and struggling to collaborate seamlessly? Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one solution, and today, we're going to make getting it up and running a breeze. First, head over to Microsoft365.com using your favorite web browser. Make sure you're on the official Microsoft website to avoid any potential security risks. Next, locate the Sign In button. Usually, in the upper right corner of the screen, click it and enter the email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free right there. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Microsoft account dashboard. Look for a button or link that says Install Apps or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to choose a Microsoft 365 subscription plan. Select the one that best suits your needs, whether it's a personal, family, or business plan, and follow the prompts to complete the purchase if necessary. If you already have a subscription, this step is done. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to download the Microsoft 365 installer. Click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually in your downloads folder, and double-click it to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft 365 on your device. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Congratulations! Once the installation is finished, you can launch any of the Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint and start creating and collaborating. You might be prompted to activate your subscription when you first open an app, so follow the instructions to activate. Now you're all set to unlock your productivity potential with Microsoft 365.